Hello, and welcome to the final devlog for Wraith. So this was my final year project that I created over the course of a few months intermittently. And so this is the finished result. So we've got a project here with a menu system, with multiple levels, with a leaderboard and a timer as well. So I'll just give you a quick demo of how the game actually plays. We have some sound effects here, but I'm not sure how loud they might be, so I'll enable the audio anyways. So we've got our tap to start screen, which is very just straightforward. It's just a prerequisite. And then we've got our menu system. So we've got a play button, a leaderboard button, options, and a quit button. So quit will quit the application. And if we go into our leaderboards, we can update the leaderboards to see who has the highest score on the game. And to do this, we used an SDK called Loot Locker. We also have a back button. We'll take it back to the menu. We've got an options menu, which we can toggle the game volume. So let me turn that down a little bit. And if we click play, this is the actual game. So we've got our movement buttons. So this game is targeting Android phones, and so it's been ported to mobile. So we've got our movement buttons, which let us move left and right and jump. We've got our level name, a currency counter for coins, a currency counter for hearts, a timer, which will kind of time our whole run from start to finish. And then we've got our pause button, so we can resume the game, or we can quit back to the main menu. So we can run through. We have to avoid the traps, and if we collide with the traps, it puts us back to the start, and we have to start over again. So it's a really straightforward and simple concept. The aim of the game is to complete the level and complete the game as fast as you can to get your high score and be able to submit your high score to the leaderboard. And so just to show you quickly, we did use Unity Analytics for this, and we also used Unity Ads. So if I pause and quit, you can see that an interstitial advertisement will be displayed here. We can close that and we can go back to the main menu. And so to build the project, I used a project management tool called Jira, and this was very useful because it allowed me to create tickets, make a workflow, prioritize them, and create subtasks and things like that. So we've got a create player ticket here, which had some subtasks like create animations, add some scripts, add sound effects, and then we have our workflows as well of how we manage the tickets. We then have our leaderboard system, which was, of course, we use Loot Locker for, and so this is our leaderboard, and we've got all of our results here. We also have the analytics dashboard, and so this can show us interesting statistics like the amount of active players, the revenue it's made, retention, the monthly and daily active users, and things like that. And we also have our monetization reporting page, which comes from our in-game advertisements that we added, and so we've got all these statistics here showing some information on that. So that kind of summarizes the project as a whole. You know, we've got traps, we've got hearts and coins, we've got a timer and a leaderboard system, we've got advertisements, and we've got analytics and things like that, and the game's been ported to mobile. So if you want to see a tutorial on this and you know some step-by-step guides on how to create a game like this, then just leave a comment and I'll start working on that as soon as I can. But that's all for this episode, and I hope you enjoyed.